Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and it's been around a week now. I have not posted a video, so today I have come with another new vehicle. So through a friend of mine, I have come across this new car, that is car company, that is the Rivian. So you can see the symbol right about now on the screen. So the Rivian car is an electric car, or you can say it's an electric vehicle, and it's not yet launched in India. And the vehicles they have produced, it has not yet appeared on the road till now. So back in 2013, the company was formed across by then, and they were working on a sports car, that is electric sports car, but it never came out. So that's bad news. Then they thought of making up it with new stuffs like recently, I guess 3 to 4 years back, they bought Mitsubishi go down, and then they were able to make their own models. So there they have founded these two models, that is the R1T and R1S. So R1T, you can see it on the screen. It's a electric pickup truck. So it's a competitor for the Tesla Cybertruck, if you ask me. So this R1T stands for Rivian First Truck, and the R1S stands for Rivian's First SUV. So I'm gonna talk about both the trucks today. So the Rivian's First Truck and the Rivian's First SUV. So before that, I would like you to see the pics thoroughly coming on the screen regarding the Rivian R1T. So the R1T is a pickup truck, and it has a 5 seating capacity also. And apart from that, I am right now browsing in their official website where I can check how it works, and regarding how the car looks. So the R1T has a small compartment at the back where you can keep a bit of goods. Even at the back you get a space to keep the goods, and in the front bonnet also you get to keep the goods. Apart from that, one charge takes you to around 400 miles in kilometer, and it requires 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. So that's the speed of the vehicle. So there's no emission also, and max towing it can do around 11,000 lbs, and up to 750 hp, and it's a quad motor system. So what you mean by a quad motor system, I'll explain it to you right now. So each tire has a motor, so the vehicle can spin in clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can just see it on the screen right now. So it works like that, and wading depth is around 3 feet. So apart from that, no much detailed information regarding the interior of the car, and no much information regarding the colors also. Probably it is available in blue color, white color, and silver color, and black color also maybe. No much information regarding to that now, so I'll explain that in some other vlog maybe. So the width of the car is around 79.3 inches, and length is 217.1 inches, and it's a bit waterproof also. The battery is around 105, 135 or 180 kilowatts. So I guess three versions you get in that vehicle, and not much information is given here in the official website. So that's all regarding the truck thing, and regarding the SUV thing, I'll explain it to you now. So the SUV, it's a little bit different in comparison, but same features like the quad motor system, 0 to 13 3 seconds, and 16 in 3 seconds, and 400 miles, and I don't have information regarding whether it will be launched in India, but I'm surely thinking it may get launched because it's more cheaper than the Tesla if you see the price tag also. And the interior picture is something like this, which is coming on the screen right now. So there's a lot of space available inside the vehicle, in the front, in the back, and you can keep on the top also. So lot of pics I can just show you regarding the vehicle for now. Uh, Apart from these things which I got in the official website, I would like to share another information. So regarding the battery charging stuff, so in the front you get to charge the battery in the front near the tire position. So there around I guess I don't know about the time span required for it to get charged, but it shows an indication. So if the vehicle is not properly charged, it will show a red color symbol in the front where the light is present. And if it's fully charged, when you're still charging it, it comes with green light. And the charging system will be shown like 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. So in the front blue place. So like that, all the details are explained regarding the vehicle. So that's all, folks, for today about the Rivian, and probably I will explain more about these vehicles or more about some other electric vehicle, especially the Tesla. I have to explain on that too. So on that, I will talk with you some other day. So bye.